After almost 2 years of working in the field of affiliate marketing, specifically on Amazon, let me tell you that during this period, I came out with 2 tips. The first is that affiliate marketing is better. You can start it without capital. The second result is that 90%, if not 95% fails if it achieves any material results in this field. What is the reason for this? It is that you do not know the appropriate path for you if you take it. Let me summarize for you the commission in a word and a half. Look, teacher, they are silent, they are not inspired by a third person. Either you are a person who has followers on social media pages, and at that time, Kitech is social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and this path remains relatively easy. Either you are a person on God's side and you do not have followers at all, and this is the case for most of us. At that time, the search engines YouTube, Google, and Pinterest will remain your path. Today's video remains and about this type of people and determine how Google uses affiliate marketing through articles. Everything you need to know to write a professional repair article will be found in today's video. In the name of God, we begin Whale Between Us. Peace be upon you all. What are our viewers and followers doing? I hope you are well after the last video about creating a YouTube channel and linking it to the affiliate program. There are many people who have asked me to do affiliate marketing through articles and print any need in affiliate marketing. I am in my field, Asta, so I repeated that I am making for you today's video, and God willing, it is a dream for you. The whole topic is in 5 steps, and as we are accustomed to, I will walk with you step by step, and each step with its practical explanation, and God willing, I will not handle any detail. Let us first understand something. Google is the largest search engine in the world. Okay, what does it mean? But first, a search engine. Search is a site where you change a word or sentence, and it will bring you all the sites in which the word or sentence that you have given to it is repeated. And the search engines will have trends, and the trend is something that people are looking for in a large volume in this period. I mean, like this trend is time in the search engines, the elections of the United States of America. Everyone wants to know what happened in the elections. If you come back like a month or 2 ago, you will find an iPhone trend. Also, all people want to know what the story is and what the possibilities are. And all this story, this is the name of this. So in order to remain smart in your marketing, you must be making a big request for it, this period, or in a sense. Trend, I mean, it is not useful to enter Amazon, choose a random product or two, and make an article about them, and wait for this article to appear in the search engines. It must be trending products that you have to order today. Well, how will I know it? Is this left? Uncle Ahmed, I enter Amazon, and I find all the products on the market. So let me tell you on Trickia, where you know the products, the trend on Amazon today. And by the way, this is the first step. Come on, eggs will open and we will write in the Amazon search bar. If you do not know this abbreviation, or they will transfer you to Amazon and bring you the best-selling products on the site in the last 24 hours. And Turkey, by the way, not all people know it. I mean, I myself have been working on Amazon for a while and I still know Turkey. This is close. The first time I will transfer you. On the site, you will notice that the shape of the affiliate marketing ribbon has changed and its appearance remains as you see it. Meaning, instead of pressing on a word to get the affiliate marketing link, he made it easy for us here and gave us a ready-made word, and printing this is just a change in form that will not make any difference to us in any way. And let us return to our topic. We are now in front of us the products that were on the Amazon website in the last 24 hours, and printing these products will be at the level of all departments. The website remains that if you want products belonging to a specific department, you will find them there on the north. It is your credit for all the sections of the site. Choose the section you want, and those of you who follow me and follow my videos with me, Amazon will know that most of my work on the site is on household products and kitchen products, but let's change in today's video and work on something else. Let it be like electronic devices. We will go to the north and Handus on Amazon and come and transfer the devices that were given to us and see what we can work on. If you notice this with me, you will find that it is of quality. Products that have been repeated more than once in the form of different brands. And this means that this type of products is in demand at the present time, which are internal surveillance cameras that are placed in homes, whether from outside or from inside. You will find that there is such a camera of different brands that has been repeated with us. Well, if you come and look at this product with me, you will find it ranked 241 on the site level in sales volume in the last 24 hours. And this means that this product is in very high demand because Amazon has 1,000 products. If you rank 241, this means that your sales are very large, and that's not it. This is also the case, and you get reviews on the site, approximately 26,000 reviews, and this is also considered a huge number. Okay, we will hit you alone and open the product in, and then it will remain a teacher. We will choose 2 second products of the same type and put this line under the same type. And these second producers do not have to be ranked in sales volume like the first product. We need them just to make the comparison. Now we have prepared the 3 products we'll focus on, marking the end of the first period. So we learned how to identify the trending products on Amazon. Together, we selected 3 products to work on, completing the first step. It seems straightforward so far, with no issues. Let's move on to the second step today. For those who followed the initial Amazon series on the channel, you'd be familiar with my motto. The key is to establish a solid foundation. So, in this second step, before starting our article, we'll gather all our data meticulously. 3 products that we will need to make the article in one place. And come and see how we will do this. And come back again, we will go and open your Uncle Google, and we will step on some of the points above on the right, from which we will choose Google Docs, and then we will work to open a new page. And what we will do this time is that we will make a summary of the 3 products that we have chosen, and we will take from each product, teacher, the name, description, and because this will be very easy for us, and we will make our article, and we will start with the first product as you see. The first thing we will do is we will take the name of the product as it is, and go and put it in ours, and after that we will take the description of the product, and also we will take the description as it is on Amazon, and after that we will take the affiliate marketing link for this product, Handus on Jate link, and we take this link as a copy and go to ours and put it, and after we enter the second product and write in exactly the same way, we will take the name, description and link and so on. We will also do the same steps with the next product. After we have collected the data of the 3 products that we will work on, there is only one final step, which is that we are working on the pictures of these products so that we will use them in our article, and thus we have all the tools that will help us write the article in which we will market. These products, like this, we are done. The first 2 steps are with us. And I think that so far, there is no final difficulty, and now we are ready to write our article, and this will be the 3rd step with us today, and we will use it in writing our article, but with a simple Turkish woman, no one will tell you about it. Stay focused with me and let's see how we can do this. And we come back again. We will open it to help us write the article we want. But the problem remains, what will I write to Shadi Betty? To write me a professional article with which I can make the products I want. And for this reason, you will find me sending you a ready written example that you can use in any marketing article you will write. And of course, you will find that we will leave you with this example below in the, okay, now we will take our matter, this is a cup as it is, and we will go and put it down. Then we will start putting the information about our 3 products in the order that we are writing. We will take the name and description of each product and go and give them to my house. After compiling all the information, we are ready to proceed with drafting our article, taking a step further as we delegate the writing to our system. All you have to do now is wait and observe as it crafts a professional article detailing the most important features and characteristics of your products. The professionalism will be evident in the comparison of the 3 products. Once the article is drafted, people might assume it's ready for marketing, but no, dear teacher, there's a vital point to note, a crucial detail that needs attention. Come and let me tell you about it, okay? This is how we wrote our article, or in a correct sense, let artificial intelligence be the one to write it for us. Okay, Abu Hamid's problem is that artificial intelligence is the one to write the article for us. By God, in fact. There is a problem with any statement that you post on any site. People reach it from silently or through the site itself. I mean, why does this site have visitors? Like a news site or popular forums, there is a possibility that people inside the site will sit down and just read your article. This is a small possibility. But in this case, there are no problems with artificial intelligence, and your article will be discovered and read. But the second way is for people to reach your article is that it appears in the search results of Google. I mean, like I wrote an article about a specific topic and someone else interested in this topic entered the Google site and started searching for it. So my statement will appear for him in the search results. That is, the site that I downloaded it will appear like this in the image of a blue link. Among the results that show the form that we all know, we all go to Google and know this. The problem remains that Google has tools. The possibilities of what enables it to discover articles written with artificial intelligence, okay? And after you discover them, what will you do? It reduces if you do not prevent your article from appearing in search engines. Oh my joy, this means that the article remains what I wrote before and I drink it dead. Your problem is that you are hasty and do not have any confidence in me. Amal, I am coming to explain to you, my son, today. Okay, let me show you how to convert our article that we wrote with artificial intelligence into a human article, and this is the 4th step. Come on, let's go back again. You will go to Google and type in the search bar. But this time, teacher, you will write the word 0 next to it and the first street above your hand, north. You will trust in God and enter the site in front of you. This is a site. What does this mean? I mean, he discovers anything written or designed with artificial intelligence. Let's see how he does this. We will go down below and Hindus on. Then we will do a Father's Year with our email like it is like any website. This is an easy step and there is no problem in it. Then this beautiful page in front of you will open for us. You will go to the north and step on the plus sign, and from it we will choose news. Then we will go and get our article copy from, and come to this place and put it. And then Handus Ali will show you. The result, teacher, is that this article is an article designed and written with artificial intelligence. And the percentage of artificial intelligence in it is 73%. Of course, if you publish your article on this image, it will be like that. You will not rank, as Google's search results will not appear until anyone sees them. This is because Google's algorithms will bury this article permanently. What are we going to do, Uncle Ahmed? Let me tell you, and you can imagine that the solution to this issue is from inside my own house, but with a small focus. I will tell you about it. We will go and take our article, Kobe, and then we will open a new page and put it down, and then Hanaji will stay before our article and write 2 small words that we will write. And I mean, on the other hand, I tell him to write this article in an easy way, or more accurately in colloquial language, and then we will take our new article that will appear for us, this is a copy, and we will go to the page that contains our housing, put it on it, and see the result. What will it give us? This is the result of a teacher, as you see in front of you, an artificial intelligence discovery tool. I was not able to discover this bitter article, and this is because of a very small concentration that no one knows, and the result came out to us. The probability of the existence of artificial intelligence is 8%, and the article in front of us is a human article, and thus we are ready for the last step, which is to publish the maqam like this. We have prepared, refined, and controlled everything. What is left? We publish the article without much desire. This time, let's get into the topic at length, and the 5th and final step is with us today. Let's see how we will publish the article, and we will publish it on any website, and we will come back again. We will open your Uncle Google and write in the search bar. This beautiful site in front of you will open for you, and we will go up on the right and Handus on. Then they will tell you what do you want to use. Exactly. For myself, I will choose Google, and then it will ask you for the name of what you want to do. You will see the name you want, and after that, you go down and step on it. Then he asks you a very normal and traditional question, approximating all sites. Your interests will choose what you want. You will not differ with us in anything. And after that, we will go under Hadus. And then on this page, he suggests that you subscribe to one of the paid plans of the site. But as I told you, of course, we do not need it. All this talk, we will work on the free plan. We will go under Khalis and Handus Ali. This is the time we enter the main page of the site. But before we start work on something small, but we need to do it. We will go up completely to the right and click on this circle, from which we will choose a profile, and then we will do something simple like this for ours. You will come here under your name and click on it and print it. The first thing we will do is that we will put a picture of ours. We will come here and hit a word, and then you will choose any picture you have on the device. This is a personal thing, meaning it does not differ with us in anything. And then here I ask you if you write. Yours is on a media website, and in this bio, you are required that people understand the type of articles that you are going to upload to your account. You are here very simply. You can go and open the Google Translate site and write what I will tell you about. This is me for myself. I will write the sentence that you see this. You will find here many articles that talk about the best popular products sold in many fields, and you will also find many comparisons between the best products to help you choose the best. Then we take the sentence that we wrote. This is a copy. Go to the section in the bio and put it, and then we come back to study. Thank you for that. On our profile, and now we are ready to start writing our article. Okay, let's do this 11 and see how we will write our article. We will go up to the right and Hindus on the word rice. It will take us to this blank page in which we will write the article, and of course the first thing we will write is the title. We will go on and take the title of the entire article, and then we will return to the media website and put our title in its place. Okay, after we write the title of our article, we are required to write a small introduction like this before we worry about the detail of the products, and of course we will find a writer for the introduction. There is no problem. We will take it as it is and put it under our title, and of course, in order for your work to appear more professional, you need to write with your hands the word that is an introduction, and in order for there to be consistency in the speech, of course, you need that. This word remains a scheme different from the font of the article, so that we will teach it and write it on this capital letter, so that the font remains smoother than the font in which we will write the article. And then in the line under it, I will put my introduction, there are no problems. And after we have written the introduction, we will start entering our products and start with its title. And then we will return to a site and put our title. And as I taught you, since this will be a title, we will teach it and enlarge its font. The title will appear with me like this. If you are one of the people who read a lot of articles or have come back to you more than one article before, you will find that after the title, there is always a picture of the product before you go into its details. And for this reason, we are in the line under the title along, and we will use our cursor and Handus on this plus sign. This will give you more than choosing Handus over the first choice, because the picture corresponds to the product. We'll select our image, then proceed to upload it. You will find the picture embedded in our article as displayed. After uploading the product image, return to me, And you'll take note of the description and features, integrating them into our article beneath the image. We have our article's title, an introduction, the first product's image, and specifications. Focus closely now. If we examine the image and interact with it, a caption will emerge beneath the picture. It prompts, "Write education." So what should we comment here? Observe closely under the product's image. We will inscribe this sentence. If you want to enter the product, click here, and then I will learn about the sentence that I wrote, and I will touch on the link sign that will appear to me, and of course, you will definitely understand it on your own. You do not need me to tell you that we will find the commission marketing link for this product, and we will put it here, and we will go to the Google Docs page, in which we used to put all the data about the product, and we will return and put it in our article. And after you do this, you will find that the sentence that you wrote has changed from a normal sentence to, and thus we are finished. The first product, let's move to the second product, and we will follow exactly the same steps. Come on, let's go, as I taught you in the hurry. We will go to and write the title of the product and put it in our article, and we will know about it and write its font, as I told you, because this is considered a title, and then we will go to the line below it and step on the plus sign so that we can carry the picture of the product in the same way, and then we will write the same thing. We wrote it in the first product, but take care that if you take a word like "it is a cup," you take it with its link to the first product, so don't forget to change the link. Okay, after you finish your 3 products, if you are like this, you are supposed to have finished the program. But there is an important last step that you must take, which is that you put an opening cover or cover photo of your article after the title along. And let me tell you that unfortunately there are people who are not interested in this step, but it is a very important step, because the opening image of this article is considered something like the thumbnail image of YouTube videos that remains visible on your article from the outside before the customer is afraid of stepping on it in order to read the article. Okay, where do we get this image from, Uncle Ahmed? Of course, I don't need to tell you. I'm sure we'll find it from your uncle, Google, and in the search bar, Handor. Something related to our article? For example, in our example that we are working on, this is Handor Ali. Then we will go to the department, or pictures, and then we look for an image that can be used as an editorial image for our article. For example, we can choose this picture. I see that it will remain very appropriate, and then we will return to the article and in the line under the title along the length of the picture. This, teacher, remains the final form of our article after we finish it. And as you see, this is a very professional article. And with the easiest and simplest steps, and after we finish, we will go up and down on a word, and so we have nothing left but the last step, and the most important step is the keywords of our article. It will change if you write the most widespread keywords that have something to do with the article you are writing, because our article speaks on surveillance cameras, so of course, these will remain the best keywords that we can use. And of course, the more words you write, the more it was better. And after we finished Handus Ali and like this, our article is ready for, okay, so we are done, and I hope that with these 5 steps, I have managed the world. What is required of you now is that you write articles as much as you can to appear more in search engines. And as I saw with me, the topic is not necessary. No effort, no money. The issue is no loss. For you, it's final. If you have any questions, please write to me below in the comments. That's it, teacher. This was today's video. If you like the video, go to like, and if you still haven't seen it on the channel, go to subscribe now and ring the bell so that you can always follow us on the next video. Hello?